Good morning, y'all. How's everybody doing? Guys, I'm wanting to take the grandbabies fishing. 2 little girls in a kayak. Do y'all think it's safe enough? I got something I can put on the canoe that'll help stabilize it. My canoe is very stable. It's easy to paddle. But when you're talking about a kayak with grandbabies, do y'all think it's safe enough? All right, y'all, this is the kayak that I'm talking about. It's a Brooklyn. I fished it several times with 2 people in there, in the river, in the lakes. Very stable little kayak. I think it's more stable than a canoe. It is the way it's built, it does a fine job. But I don't think it's safe enough for the grandbabies. All right, I got these pontoons that go on each side of that kayak. They just got some little clamps with a little bolt hanging down. They slide in to this rail and they stabilize that boat, or they say it does. Let me slide them in there. I'm gonna show you how to put them together. All right, all it does is slide in there. You can put them in as far as you want. They'll go in quite a ways. I mean, that's actually too far. The other side ain't gonna fit on. They'll come out a little over 2 foot on each side. I'm not an expert on it, but I think it's gonna be pretty darn stable. It's gonna be a lot harder to get around with the trees and the stumps and stuff sticking out, but I believe it'll be a lot safer. We'll take the grandbabies in there. I'll put a life jacket on them. This pond ain't but a couple feet deep. Well, that's about 3-4 feet at the deepest place. I got a bunch of brim in here. Let's see if them girls can have some fun. I got these outriggers for this kayak. Maybe I can get Jared to come with me. We went fishing one day in the river. The river was low, the water was warm, beautiful summer day. This was years ago. We went, like I said, we went fishing all day long, caught some bass, perch, catfish, a little bit of everything in a canoe. No problem. And a nice Coleman canoe. Well, I had a tremble net I was setting out. And to get a tremble net set, I had to put it across the river. Well, when you're trying to paddle, and Jared don't know how to paddle, so I'm paddling this canoe across the river. One side of the tremble net is tied off. I got the other side in my mouth. I'm holding the string in my mouth and paddling across. Well, the tremble net hung up about halfway, got on a root or something. Well, anyway, it flipped us over. Jared got wet. So now she's scared to get in a canoe. She's even more scared of this kayak. But guys, I've been in canoes, and this is my first kayak. I think it's more stable than a canoe. It does excellent. I mean, me and Wayne put it in a bind. We was in some bad stuff. No problem at all. By myself, I can actually stand up in it. And don't get me wrong, I don't stand up and throw in fish like you normally do. You will flip it over. But as long as we're sitting down fishing, bass fishing, setting the hook, no problem at all. I think it'll make it. We're gonna give it a shot. Are y'all having fun yet?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Fishing.
What are you fishing for?
Because I want to get, Papa said we could.
No, what are you fishing for? What kind of fish?
A fish.
Is any kind?
A pokey fish.
A pokey fish? Do it, Charlie. You got a fish on there. Get him in, baby.
It's probably heavy. Is it heavy? No. It's small.
It's a small one?
I think so.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. There you go. Keep reeling. Get him in the boat. Get him up here.
Get him up here. Oh, that's actually not a big...
That's a big old brim. Look there.
Get it. Get it. Get it. You got a big old one in there.
The little brim poke you?
Yeah.
You scared of them?
No.
No.
I just don't want to touch them.
You just don't want to touch them?
Yeah, because they're slimy.
They're slimy?
They're slimy and they're pokey.
And they're pokey.
All
Okay.
fish are pokey. What do you mean? Get it, get it, get it. Oh, I think it went away. No, I don't think so.
No, Emmy's got him. Oh, he got off. What happened, Emmy?
I'm trying to get a fish.
You just missed him, huh? We'll get him next time.
He was going.
That's all guinea eggs. I don't know how many I got right here. I'll count them. That's 25, close to 40 eggs. And I done got about 3 batches in the incubator now. We're gonna have guineas running around here. I'm gonna leave them 3 eggs. This is the 3rd time I've done hit this pile. They keep laying them in there and I keep taking them. Peacock eggs up there. Some I put the other day. 35 more putting in there today. That's more guinea eggs. Nothing in the hatchery yet, but it won't be long. "14 eggs this morning." Y'all don't know if you can see these chickens good behind me, but that's black copper Marans. I have been looking for them chickens for a long time. That's the ones that lay the great dark eggs. Oh, they look like chocolate eggs. I got blessed with 18 of them, 3 roosters and the rest hens. They haven't started laying yet, but it won't be long. They're just getting in the age to start laying. That's some very expensive chickens, and I got a very good deal on them. One of them brother-in-law deals. Can't wait for them to start laying. I want to try to start hatching some of them out.